Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir,
Yeah.
what is your name, sir?
My name is Mr. Patrick Inya-Ewu.
Where did you come from?
I come from Nwana,
Which side? Your village in Nwana?
Nkagogo village in Nwana.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you get the information of the free treatment in hospital?
We heard it in our church. It was announced in the church, so we started coming.
Which church do you attend, sir?
Pardon?
Which church do you attend?
Okay, Presbyterian Church.
Then Nwana.
Yeah.
Okay, how do you feel about the exercise that Afipo US are carrying on today? How do you feel about them?
I thank Afipo USA. You see, this is the best humanitarian something that actually reached the grassroots. I thank them. I'm very grateful. In fact, I want to use this opportunity to tell others that they should emulate this Afipo USA. They are wonderful. I thank them, and God will continue to bless them.
Okay, sir. Can you tell us your benefits?
Yeah, you see, the benefit is that my own personally today I am in the hospital to remove something that has been in my body, something that I've been suffering for the past 9 years. So today I'm happy that it's going to be removed without spending money. So.
What is that you have been suffering, sir? Do you know the name? You can call it in your dialect. Okay.
So I'm grateful. If I know how I will go to thank the Afipo US there, I will thank them. I will thank them. I pray God will bless them. You know why I'm happy about this exercise is because the grassroots, the common people are actually benefiting it. It is not like political something. It is good.
Okay. What can you tell the whole world concerning this charitable work people are receiving?
What I'm saying is that others should emulate. Others who can afford this type of thing, they should emulate it. They should go ahead. Like today in the country, we hear about the poverty elevation. They have not been elevating anything. This is the actual poverty elevation. Because you can see the poor people, they're receiving treatment. The treatment that they would have not received. So,
you're welcome, sir. How do you feel as you're entering the theater?
I came to theater, I saw health workers. In fact, they are wonderful health workers. I've been watching them. Chatting, playing, joking, and attending to patients.
Are you panicking as you're entering the theater?
No, I did not panic because the nurses here, the health workers here, in fact, they made me to have to, they encouraged me to come in.
Okay, that is beautiful.
Yeah.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah,
thank you.
Yeah.